Kung sumasahod ka ng 40 to 50,000 combined or solo, Pag-ibig member at ang preferred location mo ay Pampanga, ito na siguro ang para sa'yo. What is up neighborhood? This is Nico and today we'll feature La Aldea Fernandina. Ang nakikita nyo ngayon ay ang La Aldea Fernandina located sa Barangay del Carmen, San Fernando, Pampanga. As low as 11 to 13,000 lang ang monthly amortization at up to 12 months din ang equity or down payment. Townhouse ang style ng bahay at pwede kang mamili kung may loft ba or wala. Pwedeng-pwede to sa mga single, starting couples at families that are on a budget. If you want to know more about this property, comment how or message us. We are more than happy to help. Again, this is Nico of Briselli and we believe that everyone deserves an opportunity of home.